Alright, I'm back. Yeah, I was going to make a quick update video on the old MEI here. I had to put these two capacitors back in. These 470s. I didn't have any 470s, so I tried to get away with using 1000 microfarad. And I think this is part of the DC to DC switching thingamajig. And you know, too much. It was just I hooked it up and it was like just sounded like crap. It was like squealing and doing funny shit. So I think it was because of those two. I'm pretty sure these capacitors are just filtering the power, like just to take off any kind of, I don't know about AC hum, but just to filter any automotive noise out of the power rail, the input and the output. And then these two are part of the high-speed switching, because it's got a, what is it called here? DC to DC switched mode power supply. So basically the switch mode thing, it's always switching back and forth really quick, and you can see it on a scope like some kind of pulse width modulation or some crap, whatever it is. I don't really know, but I'm pretty sure these two are for that, and without the right capacitance it's not going to work right. So I'm going to try this, putting these old ones back in. I tested them all, and these were the two best ones. The 0.53 ohms on the ESR. I'm going to turn that radio down. So I'll test this one here as the new one. Oh, come on. And it's 0.32 ohms. And high capacitance. These are like, is this like old stock or something? What the hell's the date code on this thing? I think maybe it's 2007. I don't know. A 2 and a 7, so I don't know, maybe it's 2012. I hate abbreviated date codes, but anyways, I just you know, I just wanted to update people. I mean, I'm probably the only one in the world that's using an MEI crossover, so I'm not really worried about that, but you never know, somebody might be like, oh, I'm gonna recap mine now and use 1000 microfarad caps and have it fuck up. So so I put the old ones back in, and I'm gonna go try it and see how it works, and maybe I'll comment below if it worked. But yeah, I guess so. We could do like a station update there, the radio station update. Like I said, I got the Pro 3 and it's pretty dead. Where'd everybody go? I guess there's nobody out there. Yeah, it's pretty quiet. My buddy was supposed to be on there, but he must have whisked out and went home. Where'd everybody go? So yeah, you got the voice storage there.
CQDX, CQDX.
So you can see QDX all day.
Get to the stopper! Get to the stopper!
And then there's a few other ones I won't play. But yeah, there's that, and then I got the EQ, and then of course I got junk everywhere here. Oh, car keys, can't get that on the video, that's not good. Oh, I gotta blur it out. And then I got the Behringer B1 going into this thing with the phantom power supply. And then I got the old ACOM. The old ACOM there with the Russian tube. I don't know what the Russians use those in. I think tanks or submarines or jets or something. I don't know. But anyways, I feel like crap. I had some Old Dutch tacos, and man, Old Dutch sucks now. What the hell happened to Old Dutch? All those chips suck. Stupid Lay's too. It's like, ugh, you just get sick to your stomach feeling after a while. But anyways, yeah, I just wanted to update people that had to put those caps back in. They tested not too bad. I mean, I didn't really have to recap this thing. I just thought, you know, frick, since I got it out, I could throw new caps in there and not have to worry about it, make a quick video type thing. So, but, so I'm gonna go try this. It's, what is it here? Oh, 2 in the morning. So it's pretty late. I gotta go, somewhere where the crackheads won't fucking come and the security dicks. But yeah. So anyways, yeah, just an update, what have you. Thanks for watching, and talk to you later.